Hi everyone, this video is to help you use the Geometry SOL and Final Exam Review website. So hopefully your teacher has linked this on their Google Classroom or Blackboard page. Otherwise, you can just type in this link here, so tinyurl.com/justicesol. If you hit enter, it's probably going to make you sign in to your Google account if you're not already signed in. So log in, and then you will see this little picture that looks like an Instagram account. So this is our Instagram page for review. So each of the pictures here are a different topic that we have learned this year in geometry. So you have your review book where you can take notes on whichever topic you choose. Your teacher might have suggested topics for you to start with, or you could start at number 1. Or maybe you're reading all the titles and you're thinking, oh man, I think that the circles test was the hardest chapter for me, so I'm going to start with the circles because I need to study that most. Whatever it is, you're going to choose a topic, click the picture, and you'll see this link pop up. So click the link, and it will take you to a page that looks like this. So there's a nice little math joke here. Maybe it'll make you laugh. And then there are a few pages here to help you through that topic. So the first page is always going to be a video explanation. So you might want to take notes in your review book, or maybe on a blank piece of paper, or maybe in your math notebook that you already use. If you look on the side, you'll see some notes about what topics are in the video. So you can choose to watch the whole video, or you might just want to watch. Hi everyone, this is Miss McLeod. So as you can tell, these videos, they're all on YouTube, and they are a few of us geometry teachers going through some practice problems to explain to you how to do them. So you could try the problem on your own and then press pause, whatever you need to make it work for yourself. So besides some video explanations, you might want to watch a little of that to help you remember. The next page is always going to have practice activities. So there will always be these questions that are very similar to SOL questions. So if you click the first one, practice problems, you'll see a bunch of practice problems that you can do. So you can, again, work through every single problem, or maybe pick a few problems from each section, whatever it is that you need to practice. And then if you go back to this page, right next to where you see the problems, you see practice problem answers. So if you click the picture, then you will see here that we have worked out the answers for you. So you know what the answers are and you can check your work. Also, there are some online games that we have found. So if you want to play a little game or just use something else online, there are some other questions that you can practice through websites we found. So you have a lot of practice options here. You do not need to do every single problem. You probably won't do every single problem, but there's a lot of choices so you can pick what you need to do the most. So after you've watched a little of the video, or maybe the whole video, tried some practice problems, the last part is going to be the test out quiz. So this is what your teachers will look at to see if you still need help with some of the topics. So when you feel prepared to show off your understanding, click on this and it's going to take you to a Google form. So fill it out with your name, whatever period you are in for geometry, and then choose your geometry teacher from the list and click next. And then you will see the very first question here. So for these questions, you'll try it out, you'll pick an answer. If you get it correct, you will be able to move on to the next one. If you get it wrong, you will get a second chance. So I will go ahead and try this with you. ADC, if we look at angle ADC, well, that is an inscribed angle, so I know that it is half of the arc measure, so half of 46 is 23. So I know that's right, but let's say maybe I accidentally thought it was equal. When I click next, you'll see that I give you the solution of to why that's wrong so you can learn from your mistake. And then there's another question for you to try to show that you can prove you do understand this. So this is the review website for you to work through. Please make sure you watch parts of the video at least and try some of the practice problems before taking the quiz. But your goal is to work through the topics you need to practice the most, and ideally you'll be able to do a little practice from every topic. If you click up here on the profile picture, if you will, this actually has some mixed review practice and strategies from all sorts of stuff. So this site is here to help you study and prepare so that you can rock the SOL. Good luck.